Well, today I'm going to be mounting this branch box here for our heat pump air handlers that are in the attic. I'm pretty much going to just mount it right here on the wall. It's going to work out perfect actually. So that's always been the plan for the location of it, but it ends up actually working out really good. I'm gonna mount this vertically like this, so the connections to the outdoor unit will come off the bottom. So if I mount that unit right there, that piping will be able to come right down and out the side of the house right there, which is actually going to be right around that area. And then these connections that run to the air handlers are going to come out the side and bend upwards and go right up through the ceiling there and connect to each air handler. So what I'm using is just some of these drywall anchors. These things are really good. I use these a lot. Obviously, you need to keep in mind what sort of stuff you're hanging. And even though this can hold 1,100 pounds, the question is, can your drywall before it rips off the wall? Anyway, for something like this, it's not a problem at all. This is going to really hold it very secure. The branch box did come with these washers that have a little bit of foam sticky that are stuck right on the back of them, just to eliminate any vibration noise going through the wall when that thing's running. So we'll mount those on the back side, and then I purchased some smaller sort of fender washers, as they're called, that have a really small hole that'll be able to take these bolts here, because these are meant for probably some lag screws into like some studs or something behind the wall, but we're just going to be biting into the drywall, which is sufficient. So that'll go down behind the unit, then the unit will go on top of that, and then we'll put there and drive the screws in. So if you've never used these anchors before, they're pretty simple. You just drill a hole the size of the width of this here. The box tells you obviously what size bit to use. You just insert it into the hole, and then this sort of device kind of allows it to, you pull it, and that'll straighten that piece back out. So now it's stuck to the back side of the drywall, and then you just slide this piece forward and it'll bite right into that hole. Then you can just put your screw right into there. So once you've pushed that piece in, you can just go ahead and snap these off, and that'll allow you to just, that temporarily holds it until you get your screw in there. And then once that screw bites into that metal piece, it's trying to pull through the drywall, and it's super strong. All right, so I got all four of those set in there now, and then we're just gonna put the branch box up there, our washers, and just lag it right into the wall. Oh, and there you have it. I lagged these screws into here, my impact. You can see we got our level set on there, and it is perfectly level. It's nice because it did have a lot of adjustment between the washers and how large the hole is in the branch box unit. So I was able to just kind of wiggle it around till it's in the right spot and tighten it up. So that's going to work out perfect. So stay tuned. That was just mounting this obviously to the wall. We have a lot more videos coming, connecting all of the line sets and doing all the electrical and tying that back to this electrical panel over here. So stay tuned, and see you guys on the next one.